how to make dynamic graph in Notion. So this is a very easy tutorial. First, what you're going to do is you have to go to this base. Chart base. You have to create an account here in chart base, or you can just simply type what's in this section right here. So to create an account, you must first connect this to Notion. So you must have your Notion account first, to be exact. So connect this to your Notion workspace. You have to wait for a couple of seconds and you need to allow this because this one is requesting access to your Notion. You just have to click your Notion's workspace right here. And then after that, you have to grant the access to Chartbase. So this is what it looks like. And as you can see, it's pretty easy to use. All you have to do here is you have to create a chart and you have your option if it's a bar chart, line chart, pie chart, and so on. So for this tutorial, let's just try this bar chart and then tap next. Now you have to connect your Notion. It should be connected right here. If not, then you have to go back and connect your Notion first. As you can see, I haven't connected my Notion yet, so I can see the database right here. So allow me to connect it first. Or you can tap this share my database. Once you tap this share my database, it will allow the connection of your chart and your Notion. So it's now connected and let me look for the database. So I want to put or connect this to my reading list. And then after that, click next. So you can now select an option for your x-axis. For example, you want this like score, type, status, everything is up to you, link or completed. So let's just say we like to put the status or see the status for y-axis. We just want the name. Anyways, the x and y-axis are two important lines of coordinate plane. The x-axis is a horizontal number line and the y-axis is a vertical number line. So everything is up to you for the option. Once done, then you can now proceed. And this is what it looks like. As you can see, if you don't like this multicolor, then you can just go to the left side and then search for the single color right here and pick the color that you like. So for a single color, you just have to look for that specific color that you want here. And then aside from that, you can also adjust some settings here like the time zone, the background color if you want a background color, but I don't want this background color right here. So I just tap the white background again. Okay, so for x-axis, you can change this status. So let's just say type, completed, link, author, everything is up to you. For y-axis also, you can change that one. So you just have to go to the left side and then change or adjust the settings right here. Sort by, you can change this, type ascending. And also for, let's just say, the data labels, you can change this to value percentage or none. Okay. And also for the chart type, you can change this to the following pie, line, everything is up to you. So to share this, you just have to get the link, tap this one, and you will see this code, or you can copy the URL right here and then paste it or share this to whoever you want to click this link. So basically, that's how to make a dynamic graph in Notion. If you found this video helpful, please do like and subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.